This is how you make normal maps work with global skin. Here I have a product called Real Hands for Genesis 9, which applies a normal map to add extra details to your character's hands. Now it looks good in DAZ, but I want to use it on my character in Blender. The only problem is, global skin uses displacement maps and has no functionality for you to add a normal map. So we'll have to do it ourselves. First, select the material which the normal map is designed for. Then go inside the global skin group. Navigate to the BSDF for the skin tone you're currently using. Drop in your normal map texture, then add in a normal map node. Now, if I plug this into the normal input on the BSDF, the normal map will override global skin's displacement maps. So to counteract this, add in a mix vector and a geometry normal. Plug the normal map into the A input and the geometry normal into the B. Now, your normal map will overlay on top of global skin's displacement maps. Use the factor to control the strength of your normal map's details. When working with faces, I recommend you experiment with the normal map node's strength as well as the factor, as the more you increase the strength, the more prominent details will show up underneath global skin's displacement maps. Another little trick you can use is applying an alpha map. You can make these quite easily by finding the global skin texture map for your chosen character type and then dropping that texture into Photoshop. Once in, I can paint in a black shape where I want the original normal map to show through. Then, once painted, I can mirror that shape over to the other side and add in a white background. Once done, I save the final result as a PNG to my alpha folder. I can then drag and drop it into my shading workspace and connect it to the factor. Now, the normal map and global skin displacement maps will be split between the white and black values. To see what areas the alpha is affecting on your character, plug the alpha map into the BSDF's base color. If you want to control its strength, then add in a color ramp. Change the black pin to gray to let a little bit of the global skin displacement show through. If you want to use another alpha map, then click the folder icon and select another texture to swap out. Once you're done, you'll now be able to get any normal map to work with any global skin material. Thanks for watching. If you would like to try out these alpha maps, consider becoming a patron. And, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.